Hey guys, again this is Cody Hickman with 360 Catering Events on our YouTube channel. Today is National Blueberry Pancake Day, so we're doing blueberry pancakes. Really excited about it. We're going to start out with doing our dry mix first. That includes our flour, a little cinnamon. Doesn't take much for cinnamon and nutmeg. So you see I just have a little bit of each of them, but about a quarter tablespoon of each. Baking soda. Actually, I'm sorry, that's baking powder. Get them confused every now and then. And a little sugar. Well, now a little sugar. Just gonna mix those up real quick. That's just how fast that happens. Then we're gonna come over here. We're gonna put our eggs. Milk. Yogurt. That's good. The yogurt to make pancakes nice and fluffy. And then vegetable oil. We're gonna mix that all in. That's half of our batter right there, our liquid half. Now we're gonna fold in very slowly our flour into the wet batter. A little more. Sometimes you gotta get up on the edge so you get all that flour. And you want a nice thick batter. The reason you do a nice thick batter is because when you put those blueberries in there, that's gonna add water to it already because they've got a natural water solvent to them. And we're going for a real fluffy pancake. Looking good, looking good. We'll take some of these blueberries and fold them in. Looking good, looking good. Now we're going to take the pancake batter over to our pan, and we're just going to slowly put them in here. You see I'm going to slowly form these into what shape I want them to be in, a more round shape now. You want to do this on medium heat, and when the pancake starts bubbling on top and the bubbles start to burst, you know you're ready to flip them over. Okay, here we are. We've got our blueberry pancakes right here. Oh man, that smells great. A little butter. Gotta get a little butter underneath too. Don't want to get him jealous underneath there. Some additional blueberries everywhere. Whether it's on the plate, off the plate, whatever. Some maple syrup. And does it get any better to waking up to blueberry pancakes? I don't think so.